In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate luxury items on Vestiaire Collective, a trusted platform for buying and selling pre-loved luxury goods. Let's dive into the process and see how Vestiaire Collective ensures authenticity so you can shop with confidence. Start by navigating to the Vestiaire Collective website, where you'll find their section dedicated to trusted, pre-loved luxury authentication standards. This is your gateway to understanding how they approach the complex task of authenticating luxury items. It's essential to familiarize yourself with their methodology so you can be reassured about the integrity of the products you're considering purchasing. Once you're there, take a moment to explore the wealth of information they provide about authenticity. Vestiaire Collective is committed to transparency, and they clearly outline their procedures. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions while browsing, with each item backed by their rigorous authentication process. Next, meet the counterfeit detectives, expert professionals who are the backbone of Vestiaire Collective's authenticity pledge. These specialists bring years of experience in identifying genuine articles and spotting counterfeits, guaranteeing that every item listed has been meticulously examined. Transformation in the authentication process is crucial, and here, Vestiaire Collective excels. Their cutting-edge methods and advanced technology combine human expertise with digital tools, ensuring that their authentication process leaves no stone unturned. This innovative approach results in a more reliable shopping experience for you. Vestiaire Collective's commitment extends further into leaving nothing to chance. The thoroughness of their authentication process means every item, from the smallest accessory to the most luxurious handbag, undergoes detailed scrutiny. Their dedication to safeguarding your trust makes the buying experience on Vestiaire Collective seamless and stress-free. Fighting counterfeiting is an ongoing battle, and Vestiaire Collective is relentless in this endeavor. They work tirelessly to stay ahead of counterfeiters, continuously updating their techniques and refining their skills to protect your interests as a buyer. Further enhancing their credibility, Vestiaire Collective continually improves their authentication skills. Their team keeps abreast of the latest changes and trends in the luxury market, ensuring they're well armed with the knowledge necessary to distinguish authentic items from fraudulent ones. Excitingly, Vestiaire Collective collaborates with top brands like Burberry and Chloe to promote circularity and authenticity in fashion. These official partnerships reinforce the authenticity of items sold, as these brands endorse and support Vestiaire Collective's mission by reselling pre-loved items in a trusted marketplace. Finally, Vestiaire Collective is trusted by your favorite brands. This trust is earned through their unwavering commitment to authenticity and the rigorous standards they uphold. With such a strong foundation, you can confidently explore their marketplace, knowing that every purchase is a step towards sustainable and ethical fashion choices. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the world of luxury authentication at Vestiaire Collective. Happy shopping!